Again, all forms needs to be submitted
upon the legally authorized professional teachers. So help me God.
Congratulations.
For professional teachers, Honorable Paz I. Lucino,
Akong bakang baka dili na siya mo ganayaw.
Yan naman.
Ambot.
Asa na mo hoy na? Nakata na mo?
Video niya ay kalimut video ni.
Here. Again, we have a couple of you standing by the entryway. Please proceed here in front. We have lots of seats vacant for you. Please follow the instructions given.
Another one, MAPE majors. MAPE.
Okay, major
Arts, PN, Care. Alright. Di ba hindi naman pwede magturo ng sayaw kung hindi marunong gumalaw yung katawan at hindi marunong makinig ng music? Di ba? What am I saying? All of these subjects are all integrated. That integrated for the development of the human body, the person, mentally, physically, and emotionally. And that is the challenge for MAPE majors. Okay?
Obligations
Incumbent
incumbent
upon the legally authorized
upon the legally authorized professional teachers. So help me God.
Congratulations. Well, what are the rewards?
to our Vice Chairperson of the Professional Regulatory Board for Professional Teachers, Honorable Paz I. Lucino, to our